Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable FreshBooks for clean bookkeeping for small rental portfolios. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable FreshBooks for clean bookkeeping for your small rental portfolio, start by visiting the FreshBooks website. Click on the Sign Up button to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Once your account is created, log in to the FreshBooks dashboard. Navigate to the Settings section, usually found on the left sidebar. Under Company Profile, enter your business name and address to ensure accurate invoicing. Next, go to the Taxes tab to configure your tax rates. Enter the applicable tax rates based on your local regulations for rental income. Return to the dashboard and select Invoices to customize your invoice template. Add your logo, change colors, and set payment terms to align with your branding. Create a client profile for each tenant by clicking on Clients and then Add Client. Input their contact information and rental details to keep organized records. To track expenses, navigate to the Expenses section and click on Add Expense. Fill in details like category, amount, and date to monitor your spending. Regularly record your income by selecting Income and then Add Income. Enter rental payments received, specifying the date and amount. Utilize the Reports feature to generate financial statements and insights. Analyze reports to ensure your rental portfolio remains profitable and well managed. Schedule regular checks on your bookkeeping to ensure everything stays updated. Invite an accountant if you need professional assistance with your records. Explore FreshBooks mobile app for on-the-go expense tracking and invoicing. Leverage the automatic bank reconciliation feature for streamlined bookkeeping. Stay compliant by regularly reviewing changes in tax regulations that may affect your rental income. By following these steps, you can effectively enable FreshBooks for clean bookkeeping of your small rental portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.